Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the visibility of a repository. This is part of the GitHub series that I'm working on, and you can watch the rest of the videos from the channel's playlist. Okay, here I'm in the landing page of my account, and as you can see I have 6 repositories, and here is the visibility of each of them. As you can see those are public at the moment, so I need to change it due to security reasons. So I need to click on the repository, and here on the tab section go to the settings, and in the left menu select general, which is selected by default, and at the bottom you need to go to the danger zone, and here you can change the visibility. Here, change repository visibility, you need to click on it. Here are the options that you can choose, and you can make it private. Here are the permissions that you will have in the repository after the change, as you can see. And to confirm the configuration, you need to type the account and the repository name as well. You can click on the button, and it will change the visibility on the repository. You can confirm that by going back to the overview page, and as you can see now the repository is no longer here because it's not public anymore. But if you go to the repositories tab, you will find it here in the private section. As you can see, it's now private. You need to remember that this is a best practice. Please do not let your repositories public unless you are not sharing any sensitive information, or you are using them for your portfolio or something like that. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.